Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to record your screen on Android devices along with sound, or even if you don't want you can do it without sound. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. So in front of you I have used this Vivo phone. I don't know the exact version number, I mean the model name, but this is an Android device and here I unlocked it. Now, whatever you want to record the as screen, although there are third-party softwares, but why not use the inbuilt method? So here in all tools, if you go here, you see this record screen button. If you tap on it, it's gonna ask you like what are the features you wanna use. You wanna record sound, it's none selected. Picture quality high. So you have the option, you can make it to low if you wanna save memory. Do you wanna disable notifications while recording? You can do that, but it's not. You want to record the sound, then it's up to you which one you want to record. You want to record system audio, microphone audio, both, all these options. So this makes it like a really flexible option to record, and this can be used to record various meetings and all that you attend from your Android device. So thanks for watching this guys, and I'll keep you guys updated. Thank you.